In this video, we are going to learn about law of constant proportion. This law is also known as law of definite proportion or law of constant composition or Proust's law. The law was proposed by Joseph Proust. He said that in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportions by mass, which means if we have a compound from any part of the world, it will have same composition irrespective of where we are getting that compound from. Say for example, if we take water from any part of the world, irrespective of the source, water will have two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. And these two elements would have combined in a ratio of 1:8, which means that 1 gram of hydrogen has combined with 8 grams of oxygen. So when 1 gram of hydrogen combines with 8 grams of oxygen, that results in the formation of water. If the elements change, or if the ratio in which they are combining changes, then it's not water. Say instead of hydrogen and oxygen, if hydrogen is combining with sulfur, then what we get is not water. Or if we have hydrogen and oxygen, but instead of combining in 1:8 ratio, if it is combining in 2:8 ratio, then what we end up with is not water. So according to law of constant proportion, irrespective of the source, the compound will have same element, the compound will have same elements in a fixed proportion. The proportion in which they combine to form a compound is fixed. Let's take another example. Carbon and oxygen. If they combine to form carbon dioxide, there is a fixed ratio for that. If the ratio changes, it will not result in the formation of carbon dioxide. Now, in order to find out the ratio, we consider the atomic mass. We consider the atomic mass of the elements. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 and the atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16. We have two oxygen atoms here, so 16 into 2. So 12 is to 32. When carbon and oxygen combine in 12:32 ratio, they result in the formation of carbon dioxide. We can simplify this. 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 32. So this is the simplest ratio between carbon and oxygen to form carbon dioxide. So if this ratio changes, we don't get carbon dioxide. Obviously, if the elements are different, we don't get carbon dioxide. So for the formation of carbon dioxide, we want carbon and oxygen to combine in 3:8 ratio. If the ratio of carbon and oxygen is changed from 3:8 to 3:4, if we change the ratio of carbon and oxygen to 3:4, what product will you get? It is definitely not carbon dioxide. What other product will you get?